again, your girl is back with another video. Alright guys, happy Easter, happy Resurrection Sunday. Guys, I'm so excited. It's Easter. That's period. Y'all like my little ears. This video today is brought to you by Miss Heather. Period. She bought me some stuff for Easter and I'm gonna open it on camera with you guys. So I don't know if y'all ready, but I'm ready because she said I'm gonna be happy. So I'm ready to see what's in there. And that's period. Thank you to everybody that's watched my video from yesterday. I only have 4 or 5 people so far that's entered into the giveaway. So make sure y'all do the 4 steps. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you comment down below an idea you'd like to see on my channel with these pranks, routines, that, etc. Comment what you like about my channel. And I think it was something else, but I can't remember. But it's all on the video. I'm gonna drop the link in the description down below so y'all go see. Thank you guys for my 1,000 subscribers. I appreciate everything. I appreciate y'all so much. But let's get into this video because it's Easter time and your girl is ready. So I don't know what I want to. I think I'm gonna look at this first. This is Hear My Prayer chocolate candy, and then it says the Serenity Prayer. I'm gonna read it. It says, God grant me the serenity to accept things I cannot change, courage to change the things I can, and the wisdom to know the difference. And that's by Reynolds Nyberg. I don't know what it is, but it is right here. So she got me a chocolate candy with Hear My Prayer, Serenity Prayer. Next, I have this little bunny rabbit bag. Like me. I might need to take my thumbnail. Let me scoot up so I don't have to keep pulling my shirt up. Excuse me. I'm gonna do my thumbnail real fast. And she said she gonna know if I open it. And I did not open it. It was already like that, okay? I didn't open it. I had no clue what's in it. So let me take my thumbnail. Andrew hate when I do this. He like, take that out the video. Anyway. Is that the right way? Oh. Thank you. Yeah, that's my chair. Or should I do it? Okay, I'm ready to get into the big old thing. But we're gonna look in here, see what type of candies in here. Oh, I have it's a bunny rabbit, and I thought you was gonna open it another way, but it has a string on it. Ooh. Ooh, it's a gummy carrot. What's like that? Another gummy carrot. I got the bunny rabbit. I got me some Laffy Taffy. Oh, it's an Airhead. Orange sherbet Laffy Taffy. I never had that. And that's a lifesaver right there. I can't wait to eat this, actually. I think I'm excited about the candy. And then I have a, let's see what else I got. Got another bunny rabbit, another lifesavers. Ooh. And I think these are now laters. Splits. I never had those. Can't wait to taste them. Thank you, Miss Heather. Oh, it's another blue bunny rabbit in there. I don't want you guys to think I'm cheating you out. Put the candy back. And I dropped one. I'll pick it up after the video. I'm trying to stay seated in my video. Y'all know me. Got a little OCD. I gotta fix everything. So that was in the bunny rabbit. I'm not gonna close back now. She got me, that couldn't fit in there, she got me a phone stand. And y'all can see the phone stand. Next, it's time to open the battery. I'm excited. Comment down below before I open it if y'all excited. Okay. I'm so excited. Here we go. She said he's gonna say she'll know if I got one in it. And I did it, see? Take the tape off. Ooh, let's see here. Ooh. We're gonna put the face down. Okay, make sure I put it like this. I see some I already like. Ooh. Oh. Got a vanilla hand cream. Yes, I'm trying not to drop this. Oh, it's not open. It smells good though. I can smell it through the roof. It's a unicorn. I'm surprised Jalen might take these, actually. Jalen loves unicorns. I can see it. Unicorn. I got an LA Color eyeshadow. I have some socks. Oh, shoe liners. Oh, I like these type of socks. I call them socks. I'm gonna look. And they got a little, you got a kitty. They got a little purple kitty. And y'all, she got this my favorite color. This purple is my favorite color. Ooh, I got eyelashes. Ooh, Balingata. I can't wait to put them on, y'all, so I can show you guys what they look like. Got purple and silver eyelashes. Y'all just like eyelashes for you. I'm just playing. Guys, is it got a name on it? This is Independent. Independent. I-N-D-E-P-E-N-D-E-N-T. Come down below if you know that song. So I guess both of them are independent. Did they look the same? Yeah, they look the same. I like both of them actually. They're both cute. They the same. Ooh, I got a cable protector. I guess it's for your phone. Oh, so you won't get shortages. I got shortage right now. They said these should be about me. Cable protector. Ooh, LA Colors lip scrub. Oh, we were just talking about lips. What we talking about lips? I don't remember. LA Color lip scrub. Got an eyelash kit. Now she know I love these. And I need it. Oh, it's cocoa butter. I didn't even know I had cocoa butter. I'm gonna use some of this right now. It's a little chap. It's a little chappy. Oh. Let's see. Okay. Lip chap. Put it on my. No! Oh, I got a hair on it. I gotta wash it out, man. God, Penny. If you don't know Penny, that's my girl. I'm gonna put that on my dress. Ooh, I got me an eyelash curl and look at the color of it. Ooh, I know y'all jealous. Look at the color. You see it. What is this? The eye beauty set. Is this for eyebrows? It's the eyebrow shape. Oh, I need one of these. Oh, it's a razor. And it's purple. And then I have a an eye mask to wear on my eye. The bunny is getting the bunny's stacking up right now. He ain't time out. Got me an eye shape. Oh, it's not shapeable. An eye mask. I said it one. What y'all know about this? Let's open it. See how it's in here. Okay, I don't want to smush my eyelashes, but it go on your eyes like this. But you gotta put the thing over your head. But thank you so much, Miss Heather. Y'all know, y'all gonna see Miss Heather one day. She's gonna do a mukbang with me. I assume. I don't know if she's gonna do it or not. Y'all come down and say do it. Cause Miss Taylor does a lot for me on my YouTube channel. I'm not even gonna lie to you. She does so much for me behind the scenes. A lot of stuff that y'all don't know. And I'm so grateful, and I want to thank you, Miss Heather, for believing in me. And I tell you that all the time. And she's a great person. That's on period. Alright guys, thank you for watching my short little video. It's 10 minutes. 10 minutes. So it ain't that long. Y'all can watch the whole thing. Don't skip. I know you still gonna do it. Don't do it. But anywho, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with anybody, everybody. Make sure you enter in for the giveaway. The deadline is April the 15th, which I think that is Wednesday. So don't miss out. I have 4 people that are entered in the giveaway. I don't want y'all to miss out. My family can do it. My friends can do it. Anybody can do it. So don't miss out because you're going to miss the free money. Now, it's not $100. I told y'all they already ain't get all the money to work. But anyways, guys, I love you guys so much. Period. Y'all pray for me. I pray for y'all. But I'm a good prayer. Y'all know what? Keep it to yourself. Until the next time, peace out.